Hello, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are feeling fine. Wow, that's good. Today we are going to treat on introduction to chemistry. In my last introduction, I said we are going to do in introduction to chemistry. Now, chemistry. Now, we want to proceed now. Bring your writing materials. Let's start. All right. Today's topic is introduction to chemistry. Now, some of us does not know the meaning of chemistry. That was the reason why I said let's introduce what we are trying to do first before we now enter deep. Do you understand? So we should know or note the meaning of chemistry, but that's not a problem. I'm going to discuss it now. Now, chemistry can be defined as one of the pure world branch of science that deals with the composition, the properties, and the changes of matter in the world environment. What do I say? Chemistry can be defined as the what? It can be defined as one of the pure branch of science. Now, we have three pure branch of science, which is biology, chemistry, and what? Physics. But three of them works in pari passu. Do you understand? So one of them cannot go without the other. Because in some aspects, some people will say that biology is the most pure. Some people will say that physics is the most. Some people will say that chemistry is the most. But three of them is the most pure. I will tell you when we enter deep. Because chemistry cannot function without physics. It's just like every reactions occur in life involves what? Chemistry. Every chemical plant involves chemistry. All those things. All right. Now let's move on. Now I say that chemistry can be defined as one of the pure branch of science. The branch of science that deals with composition, right? Composition, properties, and the changes of matter in the what? Environment. Environment. Now, let's learn. Let's learn today. It's not about copying note that matters. What really matters is for you to what? Understand. Now, drop down your writing materials and listen. Now, when we say that deals with the composition, now, in every chemical substance, it must undergo what we call a reaction. And the reaction must be the composition of it. What's the meaning of composition? To come together, to combine, to react. That is the meaning of composition there. Am I communicating? So, in anything, in any aspect of chemistry must involve the first thing. It must involve a composition, which is a reaction. Example, let's use the ones that are very close to us, which is water. How does water form? By what? Hydrogen gas mixing, combine. That's the composition here now. Mixing with what? Oxygen gas to give us what? H2O. The balancing of chemical equations goes with this is two. This is four hydrogen atoms. Two hydrogen atoms will give you what? Four hydrogen atoms. Two hydrogen what? Atoms. Which is two is to what? One is to what? Two. That is the stoichiometry of the reaction. When we enter into what we call stoichiometry. So, but we have not entered now. Composition, the properties. Now, why does hydrogen react with oxygen to give us what? H2O. Am I communicating? Why does hydrogen react with oxygen? That is one of the properties. Now, when we enter into what we call hydrogen and its compound, we discuss mainly on them. The same thing with oxygen, but we are not going to enter deep now. You understand? Now, and the changes of the matter in the environment. Now, let me give you an instance in what in our environment. Now, you went to the market to buy something. What is the essence of you buying all these ingredients to prepare a meal, right? Now, let's imagine, say, you want to prepare a soup. You buy maggi, you buy vegetable, you buy this one, you buy ABC, you buy everything. All these things are what we call ingredients. Now, when you are not preparing the meal, it is called a reaction, which is called composition. Am I communicating now? Now, the problem is that why does we use maggi? Because maggi will make the soup to what? To have a taste. Why does we use salt? Salt will brings out the what? The taste of the food. All those things. That is the properties of the what? The meat, of the stuff, of the ingredients we are what? Making use of. Now, the changes of the matter in the environment, in saying that after everything, what is the final reaction? That is the meal. That is a egusi soup or ogbono soup or stew. Am I communicating? So all these things are what we call the changes of the matter in the environment. Now, bear it in mind that in everything we are doing in chemistry, we must arrive at the product. That is why they say that the reactant must be equal to the product. Am I communicating now? So a student like you supposed to what? Learn. You have to really reason. Why does this occur? We have to do that one next. That is where you now enter into what we call chemical combination. Am I communicating now? So watch this now. This thing is very simple for you to understand. It's the branch of science that deals with the composition, the properties, yes, properties and the changes of the matter in the environment. What is matter? Anything that has mass and occupy space. You have space. You occupy space as a human being. Every human being, everything in life must occupy what space. If it doesn't occupy space, that means you are not matter. But accordingly to scientists in natural phenomena, they say that anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter, and which is true. So, like me now, that is here now, I'm teaching you guys. In the next part, you guys occupy space, and I also what occupy space. That is the most important thing. Am I communicating? So, you as a student, you have to know something now. You have to know it. Now, hydrogen gas in react with oxygen gas to give you H2O, which is in liquid form, like this. Gives you water. The water idea is what industrial name or the common name, not the IUPAC name. When we enter into IUPAC nomenclature, I will discuss it more. So, am I communicating now? So, as a student, you have to reason based on the stuff of what the matter in the environment. Am I communicating? So, jot it down. Let's move on.